Urhobo, I have this ballad for you today, and it's a song that's usually sung, or a ballad that is sung during a game of, that is, tug of war game. Yes, this tug of war that people do, we actually do it in Urhobo land too. And while we are at that game, there's usually a song that is sung. Alright, that is what I want to sing to you now. Isi Gba, Gba, Urhobo yo. Koye kare oni mere movo. Awo me blogora ka Urhobo. Ono resi miri du pe miri ojigbe. Oni ojigbe no lo rija area jako go di meri me jako go di meri me jako go di meri me jako go di meri me. Say Isi Gba, everyone gather. Hey, Gba, everyone has gathered. Urhobo yo, I don't know what you are. Is that? Could it be the food? Urhobo yo, what we used to eat. I call it kare. So that is what is lacking. Only me awful. That, oh, my mother gave birth to only me. Other a blogger and gave me to an Edo in-law, or married me off to an Edo man. Ogoraka Urhobo, and Edo man or an Edo in-law or a Benin in-law doesn't come to Urhobo land. Oh no, I see me do, and he then ask me if I eat cocoyam. Ah, wow! Why do I eat cocoyam? Say, me jigbe. Instead of me to eat cocoyam, I rather eat wild yam called ojigbe. Ojigbe is a plant that produces that thorn, that type you see on Jesus' head on the cross. Yes, there's a plant that produces that kind of thorn. They call ojigbe, and down below, it also produces a tuber that some of them are edible, especially sanaga. Some of them are edible. So instead of me to eat cocoyam, I rather eat ojigbe. Say, ojigbe is a natural yam that has been with us from forever. So even that one is better to be eaten than cocoyam. Remember, that's better than cocoyam. Say, Onerogo Dolija Jakoko, that is now a rhythmic sound. Jakoko, when you say Jakoko, you grab the line and you drag with all your might. Jakoko di merime, Jakoko di merime, Jakoko di merime, and the winner now. And once the other people, once you take them to your side, you release them and go and call them. You win, all right? Maybe one of these days we'll see how everything goes. But that's all for now on today's ballad from Urhobo land. And if you want to just quickly go through, let's go one more. Isi Gba, Gba, Urhobo yo. Koye kare oni meye movo. Oh, a blogoraka Urhobo. Ono resi miri du odigbe. Odigbe no lokoto Israel jako di merime. Akoko di merime, jako di merime. Akoko di merime, jako di merime. All right, let's call it a day today. We'll see in another video. Hey.